Right, here's a great idea if you don't have a deep fat fryer or don't need a deep fat fryer but you want to make corn dogs, which really you need a deep fat fryer for. Ignore the videos that show that you can do them in an air fryer. It doesn't work, I've tried it. So get yourself to Lidl and buy one of these. This is a barbecue chicken roaster, and it fits perfectly over the small ring of our hob. I've got the gas on nice and low, get the oil heated up, get it 3/4 of oil in the actual container itself, and then heat it up so it's nice and hot. You can test if it's hot, you just get one of these little skewers, put a little bit of the corn dog batter. I'll put the link for the recipe that I used. It's not my own recipe, I have took it from elsewhere, but I'll put the link in the description just for convenience for the batter. Got myself to Lidl, Aldi will do, Frankfurters sausages, and you just need a pair of cooking tongs. And all that you do is you take one of these sausages, see that heat's really low, one of these sausages, pop it in there like that, and while it's floating, get your cooking tongs, take it out of the batter, like that. Okay. And then straight in there. And it doesn't take very long to do these at all. Maybe a minute. You can just hold it in the batter there. And it's a perfect size for doing corn dogs. These sausages, you just cut them into thirds. That's all that you do, cut them into thirds. Put a skewer 3/4 through them. I think Alfie's wanting one. You can't have one, Alfie. Alfie, where are you? Oh, there he is. You want a corn dog? You can't have one, little boy. Or maybe you will later. Soft like that. Okay, so it's been going for about a minute now. Look at that. Can't really overdo these either, they're very easy. And do you know how much they charge for these? £4.99 for a bag of these. They had them in Lidl when I went today. But that's it. Homemade corn dogs, fantastic. Oh well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like it, subscribe it. I'll bring some more stuff out, and see you soon. Bye bye.